So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the grain. It's hard, hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. Here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see, you get what you pay for. I don't use these, and well, I don't know if you should either. Anyway, check it out. They're all in stock. ChefDepot.com. For you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. About the sponsor. All things butcher block, as seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale and wow, it's the best. That's where you can score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all butcher block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles. all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Get the chef's cut-proof glove. Save your fingers. No more cuts. Chef tested, chef proven. Follow the link. Get cooking today. Ah, the blocks preferred by chefs. On sale with free shipping.